Okay, hi, good morning. We shall for today try to compute or find out the vertex of a parabola. Okay, assuming we have this equation 3x squared minus 12x plus 7, what is the first step for us to compute for the vertex of the parabola? The first step is first identification of the values of a, b, okay, A and B in the given quadratic equation. Okay, in this case, what is the value of our A? That's 1, no? Our A is 3. And the value of our B is negative 12. Okay, ganito lang kadali, no? Next, after finding the value of our A and B, the next thing to do is use this formula, no? Okay, no? Una natin gagawin is we will find out what is the x in our vertex. Okay, to solve for that, ang formula natin is negative b over 2a. Okay, using this formula, we are to substitute the values of a and b. Okay, if we are to proceed with that, mangyayari magiging ganito, no? Negative times, what is our b? Negative 12 over 2. What is the value of our a? The value of our a is 3. Okay, if we are to proceed with that, negative times negative will leave us with positive 12. Okay. The next 2 times 3 will leave us with 6. 12 divided by 6 will leave us with 2. So therefore, if we are to find the value of x in our vertex, ang value ng x sa vertex natin will be 2. Okay? So ano yung next step natin, no? Next step natin is to find out this time the value of our y. Okay? Why the need to find the value of x and y? Kasi pag sinabi nating vertex, it is a point in the parabola through which it starts to open upward or downward. Okay? Ano yung starting point nung opening of a parabola downward or upward? Yung vertex na mismo. Okay, again, vertex is a point, and being a point, it is composed of x and y. Alam na natin yung x. The next thing that we will do is to find out the value of our y. Now, to find out the value of our y, simple lang to, no? Babalik tayo dun sa original equation natin. 3x squared minus 12x plus 7. Anong gagawin natin sa 2? The value of our x. We will substitute it for the value of x's in our equation. So, mangyayari, magiging ganito. 3 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2 plus 7. Okay? So, tuloy natin, no? So, y will become 3 times 2 squared is equal to 2 times 2 or 4. Minus 12 times 2, 24 plus 7. Okay? Sige, let's complete. 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 24 plus 7. So, pagsamahin natin yung magkapareho ng sign, 12 and 7. So, we will have, okay, so we will have 19. minus 24. 19 minus 24 will leave us with negative 5. Okay? So from here, na-determine na natin yung value ng yung vertex natin. Okay, no? So what will be our vertex? Our vertex will be it will correspond to points 2 for x and negative 5 for y. Okay? Kuha natin. So, ganun lang kasimple, oh. Okay? Now, paano natin i-graph yan, no? If our vertex is 2 and negative 5, if say, ito yung ating Cartesian plane, this 1, 2, na tayo sa x, no? The value of x is 2. Ano naman yung value ng y natin? Negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So, hanapin natin sa nag-i-intersect. Okay. So, ito yung vertex natin. Okay, gets? Ganun lang kasimple, no? On how to compute for the vertex. Balikan natin, no? First, we compute for the value of x of our vertex. And to do that, we make use of the formula negative b over 2a. And after finding out the value of our x, we substitute it to our original equation, 3x squared minus 12x plus 7. And presto, we came up with negative 5 as the value of y of our vertex. Okay, so put together, ito na yung vertex ng parabola natin. Okay? Now, paano natin ipinlat? The usual approach in plotting lang. X is 2. So, kung ito yung Cartesian plane, we find out where does the value 2 lies. Andito yung 2, di ba? Yung negative 5 naman, ganun din. We find out asan yung negative 5 sa Cartesian plane. And we look at what point nag-i-intersect yung 2 and negative 5. So, ito ngayon yung ating vertex. Okay? So, that easy, no? Sige, tingnan natin. Okay. 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 So, yun lang, no? Okay, bye. Happy learning. Bye-bye.